In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure Monday.com for agencies. We'll start right from your Monday.com home screen and build a clean, repeatable setup you can use across clients and campaigns. From the home screen, head to workspaces. Think of workspaces as your high-level containers. If you manage multiple clients or departments, pick the workspace where you want this board to live so your team can easily find it later and permissions stay tidy. Next, look for the plus icon to create something new. Hover over board to reveal your options and choose Start with Template. Templates save time and help you standardize the way you deliver work across all accounts. Open the All Templates area, then browse the General Templates section. In the search bar, type Client Campaign for Agencies. This pulls up a purpose-built template designed for agency workflows so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Click on Client Campaigns for Agencies to preview what's included and confirm. It matches the way your team plans, executes, and reports on campaigns. When you're ready, select Use Template. Monday.com will add a fully structured board to your chosen workspace so you can jump straight into tailoring it for your agency. Once the board opens, this is where you make your edits. Start by renaming the board with a clear convention like Client Campaigns so it's instantly recognizable. Review the groups at the top. You can use them for stages like planning, in progress, and reporting, or for separate clients if you prefer one board per portfolio. Scan through the columns and align them to your process. Assign an owner for each item, add due dates, and set statuses that match your pipeline, such as briefed, in design, in review, and launched. If the template includes channels or deliverable types, adjust them to reflect what you actually produce: ads, content, email, web, or PR. At this point, consider adding context directly into item descriptions so teammates know the objective, target audience, and key metrics. If you track budgets or hours, repurpose a numbers column to capture estimates and actuals. Views are also helpful. Switch to a calendar for deadlines, a Kanban for workflow, or a dashboard later to summarize capacity and performance. Finally, invite the relevant teammates to the board and set the right visibility so clients only see what they should. With a template in place and your edits made, you've created a consistent system your agency can scale, reuse, and optimize with every new campaign.